So we stopped at the key. Hold on. There's a fun ride there.
Hi. Yeah, look at the lamppost. Dali, line up, line up. There, Ellie. Ellie, here.
You get to get your very own picture of Twizzler and Hershey. Join the live event at Purple Road.
Line ka dun, dali. Enak.
Come on down, friends. Come say hi to my friends.
Oh. Riley. Oh, look.
Let's get a picture together.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Hershey. Pictures stopping by to see us, friends.
Thank you.
Hello there. Say hi to my friend.
Oh, sorry.
Do you want to dance with her? She's showing you all her special moves, and you've got some too. Thanks for stopping by, my friend. It was so nice to meet you. Come on down, Miss Kiss. Give her some hugs or high fives. Awesome. Let's say you two on this side of my friend Miss Kiss.
Okay.
All right, big smile.
1, 2. Another one. 1, 2. Okay.
Awesome, superstar. So good to meet you. Have a super sweet rest of your day, okay?
Riley, did you check your belt? Smile. Smile again. 1, 2.
You ready, Goose?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, now you can go. Ah! Yeah. Oh. Ah! You're gonna be dizzy with this. So what's the plan? Ah! Ano ba yan? Be careful, or else we won't try.
Here we go.
The tire came off again. I mean, at least it was like. In the middle, if you're like right there, I'm just gonna be like, I'm gonna climb that thing and go over.
Ha? Short lang ba yan? Hindi ko kasi alam kung short yan or long. Saan? Ha? Can you move?
Wala kang material.
Ang taas dito!
O hindi ka makapost ngayon, ano?
Ang ganda, oh, di ba? Oh. To your right, parang ganyan.
Steel coaster, Super Duper Looper, and Sky Rush, a guest favorite. If you listen closely, you may hear the door falling here. The sound of this
Whoa! Yeah! Hershey's, Reese's, or Kids Drink.
Matakot naman yun.
Hello, Hershey.
Ayan yung totoong factory.
Hershey Factory.
roller coasters that make Hershey's sweet. Hershey Park supports built-in Hershey sweets. It is also the pumping
Mommy! Hello!
just as
Hello, Hershey
Hershey
I like this one.
Look at Hershey car.
I want to go to the Hershey Hotel.
We are now passing the site of the original Hershey's Chocolate Factory.
One of the Hershey car, let's see the Robin
Hershey
will make
in
a
1905.
There, there's a bear here.
Ah, you know, bear.
We have established and implemented to ensure species survival.
People are waving.
Hi guys! Woo! Hi!
I do like flying in that.
Ako takot-tapak ako sa gas, kaya binibitaw-bitawan ko yung gas. Si Riley nagdadrive noong una eh.
Tapos si Ellie sabi, look at Ellie!
We're gonna go so fast.
Flip the switch and dive right the show, where shall we begin? Reality's a maze.